These are the hints for the Chapter 9 homework. And as I said up here, this should be relatively easy because most of the answers are already in the correct order. So here on question 1, look at this Desmos link where I graphed these here from these problems here in the book. And then these here need to be matched up. So look at the vertex, the focus, the directrix of the problem. Then this one here, the ellipse, again, look at this Desmos link here and you will see the ellipses. And then these here are the problems. Actually, 2 of these are ellipses and this one is a horizontal. And then there's always a little extra question right here. And again, I'm saying here, none of the above because the instructor made a typo. I hope I didn't, but I had to type so much it could happen. Let me know if you find one. One of these answers should be correct for any one of these questions over here. So this shouldn't apply, but let me know. And then same thing for the hyperbola. Again, this one here is posted at Desmos with these hyperbolas here, and then here are the answers. And the last one is a little different. Again, there is no chapter 9.7. I made this up. And you go to this link here and you will see what I call the face, just the face of a person that I made with Desmos. And you can see that there's a bunch of ellipses, circles, hyperbolas, straight lines in there that make up this face. All right, and that's actually it for homework 9.